Hey there, guys. It's me, Steve. Welcome back to another Grind to Freedom. In this episode, I want to talk to you guys about why content creation is the new 9 to 5. Content creation is the new 9 to 5 because it doesn't matter what age you are in. More than likely, if you're watching my channel, just based on the analytics that I have, you're older, meaning like you're either in your 20s, late 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and up. Maybe you're young, maybe you're a teenager. Regardless of what location you're in, age, gender, it doesn't matter. Content creation is a brand new opportunity for you. Why? Because 9 to 5s are overrated. 9 to 5s will never allow you to give you that freedom that you seek. I know people that are in all types of industries. They're doctors, lawyers, musicians, all kinds of things. And one thing that's in common with all of them is that they dislike when their own career, jobs, things that they do feel like a chore. Some people are very passionate with what they do, but maybe they don't want to work. They want to keep exercising what they're doing, but not for the company that they're working for or the industry that they're doing the stuff for, whatever it is. So content creation is a new 9 to 5 because you get to choose how you spend your time. You get to choose how you want to build your business. You get to make a complete choice of how it is that you want to spend your time. And you get to craft and deliver the message that you want to deliver. For example, this channel that you're seeing right now is a channel about grinding to freedom. So here, I'm giving you the latest tips, tricks, and things that will help you grind to your freedom as I am grinding myself to my own freedom. As you see me here in this beautiful, beautiful beach, it doesn't mean that I'm a millionaire. It doesn't mean that I made it. It doesn't mean nothing. It just means that in the past, a past version of myself made some choices that led me to this incredible outcome. But at the same time that I'm doing this, and I'm literally telling you content creation is the new 9 to 5, it's the same thing that you need to start applying in your life. As in, what type of content creation do you want to do? And even if you don't have a thought or idea of something that just jumps into your mind right away, you can just share your story. And by you sharing your story, by you sharing your journey, by you sharing your progress, people will authentically connect with people like you. So you don't have to overthink it. You don't have to be like, oh, I gotta do arts and crafts, or I gotta do DIY, or I gotta do this new concept that I saw on YouTube. No. That's chasing the algorithm. That's chasing a trend. That's chasing other things outside of yourself. Whoever you are already are by far interesting enough. Your story, your life experience, whether you're a teenager, you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, beyond. You are an interesting human being. Even if you're an introverted person, guess what? I've been introverted a lot of times in my life. But you still have something interesting to share. Your background, your family history, the experiences that you have work-wise, the things that you do in your free time. You are an interesting person. So you need to start creating content that will allow you to ultimately be free. And if you're just grinding a 9 to 5 and you're not making any content whatsoever, I want you to shift your mindset and treat content creation like brushing your teeth, like taking a shower, like going in for a walk. These are things that you have to do on a daily basis, and you don't even think about them. It's already automatic in your brain. So that's the same thing that you could be doing with content creation. You could be like straight up, just like, I'm gonna make content on a daily basis. And maybe I'll talk for 1 minute, maybe I'll talk for 5, maybe I'll talk for 10. It does not matter. What matters is that I'm doing this on the daily. I'm getting comfortable being myself and sharing myself with other people. And I'm doing that as a daily thing, as a weekly thing. However often feels comfortable for you. I'm not gonna lie, when I first started putting myself on YouTube in the beginning, I was kind of skeptical because I know I'm interesting, but I was like, are people gonna be interested? And all of a sudden my channel just started blowing up. Like, I already have over 150 subscribers. That's crazy. Because I literally started this channel like, I don't know, a month ago, 3 weeks ago, I don't even remember. But it's a fairly new channel. And the fact that we're growing so strong is because I have a positive message that I want to share with you guys. I want you guys to succeed with me. I don't want to succeed on my own, because then it gets lonely at the top. And I want to exceed my own expectations. I want to provide more value. I don't want to film always in my car. I want to show you beautiful surroundings, beautiful things. That's why I showed you a little bit of New York. I showed you this incredible beach over here. I show you things that I know will captivate you in some way. But at the end, what I really want is the core message for it to infiltrate your brain and stay there. And that is, content creation is the new 9 to 5. You can make it happen. And you'll be surprised, if you're consistent enough, you could make potentially way more money than your actual 9 to 5. And yeah, the only way that that's going to be possible is if you try. So you have my blessing. Please, if you were looking for a message, this is the message that you were looking for. Try it. Your life will never be the same. If you would have told me 5 years ago that I would be in this spectacular view, that I would be living the life that I live right now, that I'm doing the things that are closer getting me to that freedom goal, but I'm still grinding away, but I'm grinding smarter, not harder, I would have been like, you're joking me. But it's when I started taking content creation seriously, I started creating my own brand, I started investing in my own business, that things started happening for me. And things are happening. They're not happening way super fast, but they're happening slowly but surely. They're getting there. And you can do the same. So if you're on board on this journey and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're on our goal to reach 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize this stuff and we can go on to the races. Leave a comment below if this has inspired you in any type of way. Any questions that you have, I'll be gladly to answer them for you. And don't forget to like the video for the algorithm. It helps a lot. And that's it for today. Take care. Have a wonderful rest and blessed day. Bye-bye. Take care.